something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Say, ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails, just set the pedicure off. She's fly effortlessly, and she move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing, that's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing, that's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Independent, there's something about kind of woman that can do for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. It's something new, so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got it, no doubt. There's something about her. Cause she work like a boss, play like a boss.
Sorry, I had to cut the video short, but now I have double the work. My videos are recorded on OBS since I don't have premium CapCut anymore. So my videos will take longer and the quality will not be that good. I have pre-planned scenes for Castaway, but I want to do a good job on it, so it will take some time. So don't miss my upcoming videos, stay tuned.